Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Raskar. I'm here to introduce our project. Our project title is Voice Recognition System based on machine learning algorithm. Here we are going to run a file through a server. So first we are running a server. Our server can work on Chrome. Here our server has been established and now we are going to run it from the Chrome. So let's go to the Chrome. So in Chrome we have used a user identification system. Here our system is being open. In our system first we are going to upload a image file and we can take it from the input files. For example, if I take the file of Ashwini and the second one we have to take is the audio file which is an wave file, but if we take both the image file, the result we get is in the form of this, that is we get an user not found identification in our system. The file format was wrong because we have given both the image files. Now if I take Ashwini's image and if I take the audio of Dhanashri, means these are also a different file of different persons, and if we upload the file the result we get is that user not found because both the files were different. And when I upload the same file of the same person, for example the file of Sonali, image file of Sonali and wave format of Sonali, then we get the result as user found and the name of the person will be described in our system. In our system we have saved all the inputs of the persons. This is the format of the project. Now let me show you some of the codings. In codings we have Python codings, the HTML codings. As this is the HTML coding for our uh, front end, that is our Chrome page. It is an home page. Here we adjust the page, the size of the image, the wave file of the person, etc. in our HTML file system. Now next, I will show you some Python files also. Here are these some Python files. In these files, the project developed is being shown. How the project as how our project is been working. That coding has been shown in this code. Then many of the processes such as the input story in our database, then if some password verification is being done, then initialization of the images from the inputs, all the
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Akash Vijay Power. I will introduce our project Voice Recognition System based on machine learning algorithm. The aim of our project is voice recognition system based on machine learning algorithm with face recognition. Objective: recognition of voice using face detection. Motive: the motivation of working with speech recognition project is that it is new and upcoming area of research plus implement some machine learning concept have been learned. Scope: high accuracy face recognition model have been reported in scientific research by giant technology and companies and research institute. Application: they are generally utilized in communication application, administration, client care, transcription application, and particularly in office condition as a guide to digiting report, reminder, brief in other office data. Voice in biometric. Project constraint: recognition of voice from audio dataset, recognition of face from image, accuracy of output, voice detection, and face detection. Technology used: machine learning, software and hardware requirement. Requirement: hardware i3 processor, RAM of minimum 4 GB. Required software: operating system Windows 10, coding language Python.
Overview of system architecture: face recognition, voice recognition, and person recognition. Face and voice recognition both are matches. Then we identify the person. Face recognition with the face recognition is using CNN and voice recognition using KNN model. Then face recognition. Face recognition system is a technology capable of identifying or verifying the person from digital image or video frame from a dataset. Here we use the CNN model for a detection process. CNN model is used for pattern recognition also. And then voice recognition. Voice recognition is a computer software program or a hardware device with the ability to decode the human voice. Voice recognition is the ability to machine to understand and
Hello friends, myself Pawar Dhanasri. I will explain KNN and CNN algorithms and models. We are going to talk about the KNN model. To start with, K nearest neighbor algorithm, normally just called KNN, is a classification algorithm and also non-parametric method which is used for the classification and regression. We are using KNN algorithm for face recognition and also use the OpenCV for the feature extraction and dimension reducing process. Classification determines what groups something belongs in. And these are the simple steps for the KNN algorithms. It consists of 5 steps. For example, if you say k equals to 5, then it will look at 5 closest records in reference data. Whatever its majority class in this group of k data records, it is predicted class of algorithm. For voice recognition, we are using CNN model. CNN means convolutional neural network. It is a deep learning algorithm which can take image as input and then assign the importance such that weightage and biases to the various aspects in the image and be able to be differentiate one from the another. The pre-processing required in the convolution is much lower as compared to the other classification algorithms. That's why we use the CNN algorithm for these projects. Also have other features such as simple structure, less training parameters, and adaptability. CNN algorithm consists several layers. Firstly, we upload a dataset and then input layer processes the images and further processed by REST convolution layer.